This video shows you how to create and print a brochure in Google Docs. Brochure formats. You can format your brochure in a variety of ways depending on the needs of your project. Trifold brochure, one-page brochure, and two-page brochure. Creating a trifold brochure. Go to Google Docs in your browser. Create a blank document. Click the File menu and select Page Setup. Click the radio button next to Landscape. Set the margins to 0.25 and click OK. Create a 3-column table. Click the Insert menu at the top of Docs. Select the Table menu. When you see the new table, press the Enter key repeatedly to extend the columns to the bottom. Familiarize yourself with the trifold layout. Page 1, the outside page, inside flap, this part folds in, back cover, front cover. Page 2, the inside page, other side of inside flap, inside of back cover, inside of front cover. Design the front cover. It will be the rightmost column on the first page, column 3. Type your desired title anywhere of column 3. To add an image, click the desired location. Click the Insert menu. Select Image. Navigate to the image's location, select it, and then click Open. Drag the blue anchors around the image's edges to resize if needed. Create the first inside panel. Now that you're done with the two covers, it's time to add the rest of the content. Design the back cover. This is the center panel of page 1, so it's directly to the left of the front cover. Hide the table outline to see the final product. Right-click any blank area inside the table and select Table Options. Change the default line size 1 point to 0 point in the Color drop-down menu. Click X to close the Table Properties menu. One-page or two-page brochure. Go to Google Docs in your browser. Hover over the Template button. This opens the template gallery. Click a brochure template in the Work section. Replace the placeholder text with your own text. Replace an image. Click the image to select it. Right-click the image. Select Replace Image, click Upload from Computer, or select another location like Google Drive or Google Photos. Select the replacement image and click Open. Change the image size if needed. Reformat your text if needed. You can apply your preferred changes by highlighting the text that you want to change and then clicking an option in the menu bar at the top of the page. Print the brochure. You've successfully designed your brochure. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.